Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect WPForms to MailerLite using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a subscriber in MailerLite using WPForms. I will use WPForms as a trigger node to send a message for subscriber creation in MailerLite. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add WPForms as a trigger. Next, let's add WPForms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select WPForms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Then I will submit a test response from WPForms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a WPForms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add MailerLite as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select MailerLite, Create Subscriber as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a MailerLite connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API token to establish a connection with MailerLite. To get your API token, visit the MailerLite Developer API page. Now click on the Generate New Token button and complete the API token creation process. Once your API token is generated, then copy it. Now, return to the BitFlows builder and paste the token into the token field. Then click the Connect button. Your MailerLite node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, I will map the fields from the WPForms response to the MailerLite fields. You can also add subscribers to a group that you have already created in your MailerLite account. Additionally, you can specify the subscription type from the drop-down menu. You also have the option to update the existing contact information with responses if the subscriber already exists. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from WPForms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in MailerLite. Step 5. Verify the subscriber in MailerLite. Finally, go to your MailerLite dashboard and click on Subscribers. Here, you will see that a new subscriber has been successfully created in your MailerLite account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.